Hey folks, it's time for another day, another unboxing, and this beautiful hunk of screen and glass and metal in front of you is the OnePlus 7 Pro. You all know this phone. So I have here the Almond version in this box, this being the blue version of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I wanted to share with you the unboxing of the Almond. It's a great phone. I reviewed it for geekspin.co, so go check that out. But now let's take a look at the Almond version and we can compare them side by side. So here we are with the unboxing. OnePlus community, same thing as before. The big 7 under here, 7. And the OnePlus 7 Pro, nothing here. Go beyond speed, and the little OnePlus logo here. In the back, we've got all the IMEIs and stuff. And it says right here, Almond. So let's have a quick look, shall we? This is an 8 gigs 256 version. My blue one is a 12 gigs 256 version. So let's unbox this beast. Dun, 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 dun. And here we go. Shh. Boom, nothing inside. This is the first divider, which has, see what it has in it. Same thing. You've got a welcome package, nothing else in here. Again, if you've watched my blue unboxing, you'll know what's in here, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. There is a TPU translucent case that's perfectly fitted. I love their cases. They're really nice, much higher quality than other stuff. So that's the one thing you get in here. Then you get this little letter from, I believe, one of the founders. Yep, this is from Pete Lau. So I've shown you this before. I won't get into too much detail on that. Then we've got a little box here with some rudimentary things, such as the SIM removal tool, OnePlus safety information, and kind of like a quick start guide. It unfolds, and some stickers. So again, I've shown all this on my blue version. Check it out. And here is the most important part. The phone. So I'm just going to do this the easy way by pulling on this little tab, and here's the phone. Ta-da! And almond color, ooh, and gold color. So let's have a look at the phone in a second. And you know what the rest of the box contains if you watch my blue unboxing. You've got a little divider here holding the Warp Charge 30 charger. This is a pretty big brick. I'm still carrying around my 25 watt warp charger because this is a little too big for me, even though it is a little faster. So that's one thing we've got in the box. And then we've got this little divider here hiding the cable. And as you know, there's no headphone jack adapter in the box with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So you just get the cable in here. And so I'm not going to bother taking this out. It's a USB type A to type C cable, specifically designed to go with the warp charge. You have to use both of these together. But it will work also to charge other devices, just not fast. So that is what's in the box, folks. So let's take a look at this phone, remove all the plastics and all that. So here we are, and to remove this, unfortunately, I have to actually pull on this tab. There's no easy way to unwrap this by sliding it out. So here we are, and before we continue, I'm going to pull the IMEI sticker off in the back, and that way we can actually look at this. Look at that. Very much the color of an almond. So it's got gold and almond and black. That is the design here. So really, really nice. Let me turn it on and get my other one out so you can see the difference in design and colors and everything else. So there are two OnePlus 7 Pros, and those of you who have Hawkeyes will have noticed that I'm not running the OnePlus launcher. I'm actually running Google Now launcher on this phone, and I'm actually using this phone on Verizon just because I can. So there you go, same phones. same displays, same pop-up cameras. If we flip them over, you can see the difference in color. So you got that beautiful blue, kind of like go from dark to light, and this kind of uniform almond pearlescent color. Let me try to catch some other light angles so you can kind of have a look at what it looks like. And then I'll kind of go like this as well so we can see both sides, and like this, so that way you get to see from the different angles the lighting on this phone. We can also compare them. I'm gonna actually put them on top of each other because the Almond one actually has the screen protector still on it. So you can see here that they're identical, but of course instead of a matching blue frame, there is a gold frame with the black antenna bands. Same buttons, everything is the same. Volume rocker here on the side. On the bottom you get the SIM tray, USB Type-C, and one of the 2 stereo speakers. On the right hand side you got the power lock button and the slider for notification, silent and vibrate. And then you've got on top the pop-out camera here and the secondary mic. So that's basically, oh, I somehow have this in camera mode. So that's the difference between these two. I've swapped them now. My blue one is on the left and the Almond is on the right. That's basically what I want to show you. You know all about this phone already. You know the specs, Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs for this one, 12 gigs for this one in terms of RAM, 256 gigs of storage for both. There's also a 6 gig version for RAM and a 128 gig version for storage. Batteries are very large, 4,000 milliamp hour. You've got triple camera system in the back with a 48 megapixel main, ultra wide angle and a tele. And yeah, that's the gist of this phone. So there you have it. OnePlus 7 Pro in Almond. That's basically the same phone, just in a new color. So it was announced at launch, but it didn't ship right away. So those of you who've been waiting now have another color option. More importantly, you now have a phone that has really nice gold bling factor going on here with this almond finish and all the goodness that goes with it. So check it out. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please subscribe to the channel, tell your friends. More importantly, subscribe to my podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. This channel is a supplement to the podcast. I show you visually the things I talk about on the show. So go subscribe, mobiletechpodcast.com. We're also on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Cast, Overcast, TuneIn Radio, and Spotify. Finally, I want to thank our sponsor, ProXPN. Are you looking for a VPN, a professional grade VPN, something that you can trust for those times where you need privacy and security, maybe when you're traveling using open hotspots? They've got you covered. ProXPN is a professional grade VPN. I use it. It lets you space shift. By that I mean you can watch videos in other countries when you're traveling. Like it lets you watch US Netflix when you're abroad. All that good stuff. I would check it out. I want to thank ProXPN for being our sponsor. And if you want to check them out, there's a 50% off deal in the description below. So if you want to get ProXPN today, you can get a 50% off by clicking on the link below. And doing so will support both the channel here and my podcast. So thanks for doing that. And thanks for being a sponsor, ProXPN. Stay tuned for more, folks. I'll be back with another unboxing video or review video pretty soon. And that's it. Cheers, everybody.